So today what we are going to be talking about is hard money. So if you've ever thought about buying real estate and you thought about investing, you've probably heard the term hard money, which is what a lot of investors will utilize to borrow for investment. So we're going to talk about hard money because Jonas is a hard money lender, as well as many other things. We'll get into that too. Top performing real estate agent, fix and flipper, landlord, buy and hold, hard money lender, lots of stuff, lots of good stuff.
Yes.
Entrepreneur just in general, which leads to the next thing we'll talk about after that.
The Renaissance. Man.
Yeah, exactly.
Or the jack of all trades, master of none. I'm not sure.
Yeah. Right. Do you like it when people bring up your Survivor episodes?
You know what? I love it because I love the show.
Yeah.
I've always loved the show. Still love it. I think I love it more now that I've been on it. And I mean, it's just like talking about your favorite hobby,
Yeah.
So yeah, I love it. I mean, it's they kind of ask the same questions over and over, so that kind of gets old. But whatever,
Yeah.
Like, is it real? That's like the most common one. Is it real? I'm like, no, it's fake.
Yeah.
Yeah. I lost 15 pounds in 19 days because they make you go on a treadmill every day.
Right after McDonald's.
Yeah, after the buffet.
Yeah.
It's all fake.
Yeah. I could use 15 pounds lost after this COVID lockdown.
Hey,
all I do is eat.
I'll tell you, you just eat like one coconut a day.
Okay.
And that's pretty much it for 15 days. There you go. Oh.
That's good. Okay, we'll start that coconut diet today. You heard? They heard it right here on Facebook Live. Okay, so can you even buy coconuts right now?
That's a good question.
Yeah, maybe I won't start that diet yet.
Whole Foods, man. It may be like $8, but
yeah, exactly.
It's worth it, man.
Exactly. So we're also going to talk about starting up businesses, entrepreneurial.
Yep.
So many people out there have a job and I can't remember how many times throughout my career I've heard, I've got this great idea for this.
Yeah.
But they do nothing with it.
Yeah.
And respectfully so, a lot of them are busy. They already have a 9-to-5, then they go home to their family. But how many people that have a great idea have recently been laid off due to the coronavirus, don't have a job?
Yeah.
And now's a great time to do that side hustle.
You have like zero excuse.
Yeah, exactly.
Look at your schedule.
Yeah.
Nothing going on.
Right. Not even leaving the house today. Exactly. And so that side hustle can now become your main hustle.
Absolutely.
So we'll talk about that. So if you've ever had an idea, just for the listeners out there, I've personally invented a product, patented it, had it manufactured. We're now selling the Snap Leash. Yeah. I published a book. It's a children's book that educates kids on the prevention of sexual abuse, a really tricky topic, but Richard Paul Evans helped us get that done. For those who don't know Richard Paul Evans, he's a 13, 14, maybe by now 15-time New York best-selling author, wrote The Christmas Box. He's a local author here in Utah, but world-renowned author, obviously. With being 15-time best-selling New York author.
You are. I gotta say, you are the king of just go for it. I love that, and no, I've been inspired by you. Like when you have an idea, you go and you do it. That's what people need to do right now. Just go out and do it.
I appreciate it. Thank you. I agree with you.
And here's the thing, not to get off topic, but
yeah,
so people are like, well, I don't have any money.
Yeah.
There's Kickstarter, there's, all these platforms where people will fund your idea
absolutely
for free. You don't even have to pay them back. Maybe give them whatever perk it is.
Right.
But if you do it right, and I would definitely prepare that properly and research it on how to do it right. Tim Ferriss did a really good article on how to launch a Kickstarter properly.
Oh, nice.
And how to get it funded. There's a science behind it, but you basically have no excuse. Even if you don't have any money, you can you can do something like that.
Yeah,
So,
yeah, absolutely. I totally agree. Totally agree. Where there's, as this old saying goes, where there's a will, there's a way, right? And with today,
do you remember where there's a will, there was an A?
Don't remember that.
Where there's a will, there's an A.
I obviously didn't have a lot of will back in high school.
Yeah. Anyway, it was like a program. I think my parents got it for me because I was like a total loser in high school.
Oh, so was I. That's why I'm laughing.
No wonder we're such good friends.
Yeah. And when you're a loser in high school and your parents are Japanese, that's just no bueno.
Dude, that's like shame on and dishonor.
Yeah. My dad was never happy about my report card. I never once had congratulations, a good job, proud of you. Just didn't happen. And, with the Japanese dad, that just never happened. I could have probably got all A's and 1B, and it still would have never been, I'm proud of you.
So check this out. On my last year, so it was like the last half of my last year, my senior year.
Yes.
I decided if I want to go to college, I probably need to, do something about this GPA here.
Right.
Because it was like 0.8 or something. Like, my dad was like, I didn't even know that was possible to get a GPA that low. So anyway, I just scramble and I pull it together, and I just wanted to see if I could do it. So miraculously, I get on the honor roll. So my uncle sends me a card at the end of the year, and he's like, "Congratulations on getting on the honor roll."
Yeah.
And then I open the card and it says, "Hell, we didn't even think you would graduate." Best card ever.
Yeah.
I should frame that.
You really should.
It was amazing.
Yeah.
It was the best card I've ever received.
That's fantastic. Oh, jeez. Well, you know what was crazy about my high school? So I focused on what I thought were like the important classes to graduate, right?
Yeah.
Math, whatever, reading, English, all that stuff. What I failed to do was still put effort in the classes that didn't matter, like gym and photography, right?
Yeah.
So come to find out, like 3 weeks before graduation, 3 or 4 weeks before graduation, my photography teacher tells me that I'm going to get an F, which means that I'm not going to graduate from high school because of photography, right? And I was like, "You're kidding me." And he's like, "Well, you really haven't attended class much." And I was like, "Well, that's true. I go home for
calculus, maybe that's like acceptable.
Yes.
Oh man, that calculus is brutal.
Yes.
Photography, bro.
Right. And I was in calculus too, and I was passing that. And so he gave me a bunch of things that I needed to get done in that 3-week period to graduate. Man, did I focus on photography for 3 weeks really hard, so I can take a really good picture now.
Sweet, bro.
Just kidding. I don't know if my pictures are that good.